B2B means businesses that sell to other businesses, like our company X27 sells lead generation to agencies. Lead generation is basically how you get potential customers for your business. It can be inbound with things like content marketing, blogs, white papers, ebooks, even Facebook ads, or it could be outbound, which is cold emailing, cold calling, or I would consider advertising outbound as well. Anytime you're paying for an impression to get your thing in front of people, that is outbound marketing. Or putting your thing directly in their face like you can with cold email or direct approaches at a conference. Let's face it, B2B companies need quality leads to survive. After all, leads are the oxygen of business. But if you want to succeed, you need a lead generation strategy that generates more higher quality leads for your business. And that's what I want to do in this video. I want to teach you what is lead generation. Let's go through the basics. Let's talk about lead generation. But before I get into it, make sure that you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe down below. What is B2B lead generation? B2B marketers use lead generation to drive prospective customers to their organization organically. Inbound marketing tactics help boost a prospect's visibility of the business. It helps people see you and boosts awareness so people know who you are, and will also encourage them to engage with your brand. I like lead generation because all businesses need customers to survive. And so if you are in the lead generation business, you're in the customer business. X27 sells sales. These agencies need more deals, so we use cold email marketing or whatever we end up using, LinkedIn outreach, cold DMs, cold calling to generate meetings, which then lead to sales for these businesses. And these businesses then pay a hefty fee for that, because all businesses need sales to survive. So if you can master B2B lead generation, you'll never go hungry again. And we've been in the business for lead generation for close to a decade now. X27 is running. We now have LeadShark, which is our lead generation database, which is scaling very nicely. I also used to be the CMO at a lead generation startup that was making over $1 million a month. So I know lead generation. I know how valuable it can be, and I know how lucrative it can be. And there aren't very many things like it where you can deliver massive value to the customer and make money for yourself at the same time. What are the benefits of B2B lead generation? There are 4: awareness, research, consideration, and purchase. You can build awareness for your brand, increase your sales opportunities, provide benefits to the buyer and seller, drive more high-quality leads, and it costs less than other forms of advertising. You can send cold emails B2B for very, very cheap. When you're running an ad campaign on LinkedIn, for instance, you might be paying $300 a lead, or even as much as $2,000, $3,000 for a sale. But when you're sending cold emails, you're paying pennies per lead, 50 cents a lead if you're getting them on LeadShark, or even less if you get them in bulk. And that allows you to reach out to a much higher number of people, and thus your chances of making the sale are that much higher. Let's say you have a $10,000 budget for lead generation. You could either spend $10,000 on Facebook ads and maybe make 1 to 2 sales, or you could spend $10,000 on a cold email campaign and reach out to 20,000 people. And these are not just any people. These are direct in your target market, decision makers, CEOs in your industry, 1, 2, 3, all the way down this list, 20,000 people for $10,000. So it costs less than other forms of advertising, and it appeals directly to your target audience. You're finding them, you're making a list of them, and there's no other ad platform or anything that has targeting like a cold email marketing list, because you're making a list of these people. You know who your future customers are. You put them in your Excel spreadsheet and you just go 1, 2, 3, like down the list. You just make it happen. And so B2B lead generation done well for your business will substantially grow your revenue, and it'll give you an ROI higher than any of the other ad platforms. It's the easiest, best, and fastest way to grow your B2B company. So how does lead generation work? Step 1 is you find B2B sales leads. My favorite tool for doing this is LeadShark. You just go into LeadShark and you select the exact industry you want, the exact targeting, job title, country, number of employees that you want, and hit search. And inside, you're just presented with a list that you can then select the people that you want and download in one click. The AI will then process the leads to make sure they're cold email ready, that they don't bounce. And then you're just presented with this list that you can bring to step 2. Step 2 is reaching out to the leads. Typically, I'll reach out to the leads with a cold email script And just to give you an example, here is a cold email script that we use that follows the 3 C's. You just screenshot this and you can use this immediately inside your campaigns, customize it, etc. for your needs. Step 3 is qualifying and prospecting high quality leads. This is the appointment setting process, and we'll link down below to a video we did on appointment setting. If we haven't released a video on appointment setting, then we'll update this as soon as we do, and then you'll see a link over here to an appointment setting video, which will show you how to qualify and prospect for these high quality leads. Then step 4 is you close the leads by making a sale. You book that sales call, you ask your discovery questions, you put together a proposal, and you close the deal. And that's how you go from an Excel spreadsheet of contacts from LeadShark to money in your bank account. It's crazy that we live in an age that you can just type text into a computer and it turns into money, but this is the age that we're living in. So you better take advantage of it. If you want to check out LeadShark and you want 200 leads for only $9, then go to go.leadshark.com/YouTube or click the link down below. That's a special offer just for viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.